Hi everyone, I'm the Booktastic Mom, and today I'm going to share our bird science unit from The Good and the Beautiful. Thank you so much for coming by today. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm so excited to share our first science unit that we're going to be doing this year, and it's going to be The Good and the Beautiful Birds. We've used The Good and Beautiful, this is our second year using this curriculum, and this is our, I think, fourth science unit we've used, but this is our first one. We're going to start off when we start the school year this year. My girls are obsessed with birds, so when this came out recently, I just knew I had to grab it. They are so excited to do this, and today I'm going to show you some of the curriculum. I'm going to show you some books I've got to go with it, some games, all kinds of supplements, and so let's go. Okay, first is the actual curriculum. When you purchase the curriculum from The Good and the Beautiful for the science units, they come in a cellophane pack with all the printed pages inside, and they're not connected, so you have to connect them somehow yourself. You could also buy PDF format and print them out, which is a lot cheaper. I personally like to buy the already printed curriculum, and so you could see here I 3-hole punched all the pages and put them into this binder. It also comes with some books that you can cut and put together, which I already did, and let me show you one of these here. So in the actual lessons, it will tell you when to read each book, but they have beautiful pictures inside and all kinds of great information about birds. Has the table of contents here, unit information. Read a lot of books that you can purchase with the curriculum, which I have here and I will show you in just a bit. And there's a bird watching notebook, which I will also share with you. Lesson extensions for 7th and 8th graders. All the supplies that you need. And let me get into a lesson. Here's the first one here. So first, it gives you the preparation that you need to prepare before the activity. They have some videos that you could watch that are on the Good and the Beautiful YouTube page, and so that will be the first thing that we'll do when we start the curriculum. And then it'll have all kinds of things for us to read and learn. So learning about bird classification. It has vocabulary words, which I have here in the back, which you can cut out. You could do a science wall. You can do lap books, which I'm going to do. I don't have a big wall to do a science wall. You can just do kind of a chart on your table and put the vocabulary in there. So here is an example still of the activities. You'll cut these cards out in your preparation. Some birds of the world. And then learning about the classifications of birds here. And then here's the extension for the 7th and 8th graders. And then on to the second lesson. Let me flip through some more pages in here for you to see a little bit more. We have a little craft here. You can make a pine bird feeder. This has parts of a bird, the chicken here, and you can find all the different pieces. And there are 14 lessons all together in here. And the way the science units work is you would pick out a few different units to use in a school year. So this will not take us the whole school year. So we are going to pick out some more to do for the rest of the year, and I'll share those with you when we decide. And so I highly recommend that with this curriculum that you purchase some binoculars. We have a few sets here at home. In the spring we installed 2 bird feeders in our backyard, and the girls love watching them. And you will also need them for this bird watching notebook. So this is for levels 3 through 8 here. So here in the front you have a list that you can make of all the different birds that you have found and what day and the location. Here's a fun bird watching bingo game for their identification and bird tracks. How to use binoculars. And at the end here, there's a bunch of notebook pages where you're going to write the name of the bird, you're going to draw a picture of the bird, or you can also print something from the internet, but I think this would be a great art opportunity. And just writing about their behavior, you're watching their behavior, size. Great for them to look up all this information in an encyclopedia or online. Also, from the Good and the Beautiful website is this snatch game, a birds of prey game, where it has all different cards here. This looks like a lot of fun and a great learning opportunity to learn about the birds of prey. There's also this nature reader here, so this is a great read aloud. It has 3 different stories inside. And here's another book, Mission Migration. And this is also from the Good and the Beautiful. This is the great, more of a picture book story. I'm excited to read that. Another one from the Good and the Beautiful is this Songbirds Study. And this has all the different songbirds inside and gives you all the different information about the birds. Now that's it for all the Good and the Beautiful books, but I also bought some other books, and this one is awesome, guys. Like, I cannot believe this exists. My girls have been using this many times since I bought this the other day. This is called the Backyard Birdsong Guide. This one is for Eastern and Central North America. They also have one for Western North America, and I believe they have one for around the world. So it has 176 birds inside. In the beginning it tells you how to use the book, and then it goes into the different birds. So this one is the Canadian goose, and what you do is it'll say number 1, so we're going to try to find number 1 on this player here. Okay, and then you press the 1. Isn't that awesome? So that's the honk by the male and female. So this one, next one is a mallard duck, but also it gives the female 2 different calls and then the male call. So we'll hit over for 2. This is the male. The other day, my oldest heard a bird, and she asked my husband, you know, what bird is that? And he was like, I don't know, and gave some guesses. But now, guys, she can know all the calls of all the birds. So I highly recommend this. I'll have a link down below. I got this on Amazon. Next is PopUp Birds. This is an Usborne book, and it also has a QR code on the back which if you scan this, or just go to the Quick Links website, which I'll link down below, and it will have the book read aloud, and they usually have videos and games as well on the website. So look how pretty this is. I love pop-up books. I have a few of the ones from Usborne. And then I'll show this last page here. The owl. So this is from Usborne, so contact your Usborne book consultant to get that. And if you don't have one, I have a link down below as well. Next is how to draw amazing birds. So as you can see before in the notebook, there was a section to draw birds. So I thought this book would be perfect to teach my girls how to draw birds. I got this on Amazon, and I'll link this down below as well. It kind of just gives you a step-by-step instructions on how to make all the birds. So I think we're gonna get a lot of use out of this. I also bought this for my two younger girls. If you don't know, I have a kindergartner, a 4th grader, and a 7th grader. A 7th grader kind of thought it was too young for her, but my younger two really wanted this. So this is the Ultimate Sticker Book, North American Birds. I got this on Amazon, and it just kind of has spots on here to put the birds, and it tells you some quick information about them. And here's the stickers here, and they're very realistic looking pictures. My two younger girls are obsessed with sticker books, so I think that one will get done very quickly. Okay, next I have a game. I got this bird bingo. Got this on Amazon as well. Comes with these red paper dots, a little bag to put them in. It comes with all the different birds to punch out, and then it comes with the bingo cards here. It will help my girls identify all the birds. And one more thing I purchased, I got this on Amazon as well. It is a double puzzle, so it's two-sided. So one side is the birds and the other one is bugs and butterflies. But that is perfect because with my daughter's kindergarten curriculum this year, we're gonna have a whole week of learning butterflies and a whole week of doing insects. And actually, I'm gonna be making that video very soon to go over all my daughter's kindergarten curriculum. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when that video comes up. So as you can see here, this is the size of the pieces, and it is double sided. So the blues are for the bugs and the pinks are for the birds. And this is a little piece of paper showing what bird one will look like. And then here's just the bug and butterfly one if you want to see that side. I'm so happy you came by to watch this video. Make sure you comment down below and say hi and introduce yourself. I would love to get to know you all more. Again, if you like this video, please subscribe, please give it a thumbs up, and please hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. Thanks again for coming by, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.